Ever wondered how to update your Twitch stream title directly from OBS Studio without having to jump between tabs and distractions? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Twitch stream title in OBS Studio, quickly and easily. By the end of this video, you'll know how to keep your viewers up to date with whatever you're streaming, whether you're switching games on the fly or just want to draw attention with a catchy new title. Let's dive straight in, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. So, first things first. You need to make sure your Twitch account is connected to OBS Studio. If you haven't done this yet, just head into OBS settings, go to the Stream category, and pick Twitch as your service. Log in using your Twitch credentials and authorize OBS to access your account. Once you've connected everything properly, OBS Studio gets a powerful upgrade. Now it's hooked directly into your Twitch channel. That means you can control your stream info without ever leaving the OBS dashboard. Now, once your Twitch is connected, you'll notice something new pop up in OBS Studio, the Stream Information panel. Think of this as your command center for everything stream-related. If you don't see it right away, just look under the Docs menu at the top and make sure stream information is checked. When it's open, you'll see all the key fields that Twitch uses for your stream's metadata, including your stream title. Finding the title field is easy. It's usually right at the top of the Stream Information panel. Here's where you can be creative. Just click into that box and type out the new title for your stream. Maybe you're switching from playing Fortnite to Minecraft or hosting a Q&A for your followers. The title is what tells potential viewers exactly what's happening. Make it clear, make it catchy, and make it accurate to what you're broadcasting. This helps the right viewers tune in, and it even affects how your stream appears in Twitch searches and recommendations. Once you've typed in your new title, don't forget to hit the Update Information button, usually found at the bottom of the panel. This is important. OBS won't actually push the changes over to Twitch until you confirm with Update. Sometimes it takes just a second or two for Twitch to catch up, so don't worry if you don't see the new title instantly on your Twitch dashboard. It's syncing in the background. Updating your stream title on the fly is a huge time saver, and it helps keep your content relevant and discoverable. Say you're starting a speedrun or a community challenge and want to hype it up. Just pause for a moment in OBS, type the new title, and hit Update. You don't need to Alt-tab out of your game or lose focus. Streamlining your workflow like this keeps you in the moment and means your audience always knows exactly what's going on. If you run into any hiccups, like the panel not showing up or changes not syncing, make sure you're logged into the right Twitch account in OBS and check that your internet connection is stable. Sometimes little glitches happen, but a quick restart of OBS usually solves most issues. And that's really all there is to it. Changing your Twitch stream title inside OBS Studio is simple, intuitive, and helps you keep your stream fresh and engaging. Go ahead and try it out next time you go live. You'll be amazed how much smoother your broadcast management feels. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you ran into any problems or have other OBS questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and happy streaming.